In this video, I would like to show you something about system configuration tool, or in short, we can say msconfig. Open the run and type msconfig and then hit OK. And then you will get a window called system configuration. And the system configuration, you get in general tab, you got three options: normal startup, diagnostic startup, and selective startup. And then again, the boot tab, you got this Windows 7, Windows current OS, and the default OS. Suppose if you have three operating systems installed in the same system, then all the three operating systems will be listed in this box, and then you can select which one you want as a default. And click the advanced option, and you can assign number of processes, some memory, channel, USB target name, and so on. And again, this timeout 30-second, what is this means? This means that if you have a three operating system, at the beginning it gives you a menu to choose the option from which three operating system that you want to currently use. So if you give a timeout of 10 seconds, it will give you a 10-second time to select the current operating system that you want to use, or else after 10 seconds it will choose the default operating system. So you can choose the default operating system if you have 2-3 operating systems listed here. And then again, this services tab. In this services tab, whatever services that gets started when you boot your system, something like we can say Bluetooth or antivirus or Microsoft Word, or something like you can say Google Drive. It gets open automatically here. So in order to stop those kind of services, you can either stop this in here, all the background services, and again if you want to stop the startup services, as I told you now, something like antivirus and VMware here, check this VMware tools, it's on, it's already on here. So if you don't want this kind of tools get running each and every time when you boot your system, just disable it. This is very important because whenever you install some software, or even some unnecessary software like DVD burner or something like that, media players, something like news feed software, everything gets by default gets start each and every time when you reboot your computer. So it slows down the startup of your computer. So it's better to disable it, the unnecessary applications. And then again, the tools you have, it will give you the tool name and the descriptions, and then so on. This is how we can use this system configuration, or in short msconfig. To my experience, I use this for this boot option to choose the default operating system and to choose this timeout. And again, I choose this tool for this startup to restrict the unnecessary startup applications that slows my system. Thank you for watching the video and have a good day.